Alright guys, we're about to go to Dutch in my first POV video. So let's get a cold start. Well, it's not a cold start, but let's see if I can turn on the flashlight. Look at that. Cop the stickers, www.brz.com. So this is the first drive. I'm gonna have the windows down for like just the street and shit. I'm just gonna have hopefully this shit don't catch air. And then once I get to the freeway, that's when I'll put the windows up. Yes sir. So let's get to it. Alright, so I'm gonna talk about my car. Right now, what my car has is has PLM unequal length headers, catless to stock overpipe, and it has a dual resonated front pipe, and then stock resonator, and just muffler delete, a single tip J2 Racing single tip. That's like 80 bucks I think. I'm tuned on the open flash tablet, and it's on E85 stage 2 plus or some shit. E85, I don't know. And then I made it so it has POVs, so let me see if I can get some POVs. Official, I'm gonna bag the car. No coilovers. So stop making fun of my fitment, little shit. Alright, let's open up these windows so we could get that sound. I'll try to get some like nice pops right here. Hopefully, because sometimes I'll be on first gear and Nathan, bro.
Oh, it doesn't?
No. I feel stupid. Guys, I didn't mean to do that. I was actually gonna launch, but the lights turn yellow.
No,
we don't want to get caught, guys. If this video gets 2 likes, come on, 2 likes. Next video will have a launch. G-Wagon?
Yeah, that's a G-Wagon.
See, there's a beast over here. Last time there was actually a McLaren
Yeah.
when I came with Evelyn. To yield here or no?
Yeah, if you're like on the way.
Guys, this car's bad luck. So I got into a car accident, as you guys saw on my Instagram, and then literally the day I went to go pick up the car from the shop, somebody almost crashed me, like literally like right outside my house. And today somebody almost crashed me again. So I don't know, maybe I need a dash cam.
I think about to come over here for the cruise and the...
This is amazing, bro. Have you been here?
Nah, this is my first time.
Guys, so here in Arizona, or I don't know if they got Dutch everywhere, but they only got in certain like states. But this shit is amazing. Look at that. That one you could go inside and shit, which is pretty sick. Guys, so see you guys after we get our Dutch. Alright guys, so we got our Dutch already right here. If you guys want me to put you on, this is hold on, what is this? Oh, this is a Tiger's Blood green tea, 2 times extra sweet with mango drizzle. And I don't know if you fuck damn, scratch my shit. Anyway, this is amazing. What do you think about this?
It's pretty good.
What do you think about this?
It's pretty good for my first time trying it. It's actually good.
Alright guys, so if you guys if you guys got a Dutch, cop this shit. But we're about to go home. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If I'm not like shy or embarrassed or anything, I'll probably get a video during the day, because earlier I was gonna do it. I got a little shy. I wasn't gonna be down for that, but I was gonna try though. Anyway, so hope you guys enjoy that shit. See you guys in the next one.